Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I will show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game not visible in the Google Play Store on your ZTE Blade V50. If you have the same problem as mine, you search Mobile Legends games but you haven't got it there. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu and there tap on our photo on the right corner, go to the settings, init family and parental controls. There we have page 3 right now. To download game as Mobile Legends, Call of Duty or Teamfight Tactics, we need page 16 or all page. To change it, we must press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control and after that we press on the page 16. Confirm I got it and save. And that's all. Now our game would be visible. We go back to the main menu and search Mobile Legends games again. And we have it right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.